dear children, welcome to your science class. Today we are going to start lesson 2, matters. Firstly, we are going to know about what is matter. Everything around us is matter. For example, the air we breathe, the book we read and water we drink is made up of matter. Or we can say everything that has weight and occupies space is called matter. For more detail, let's look at some slides. So dear children, our first topic is states of matter. Matter around us exists in 3 states. These states are solid, liquid and gas. An atom. What do you mean by atom? Matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. Atoms form the building blocks of matter. They are very tiny and cannot be seen with the naked eye. When the atoms join together to form molecules. Molecules in solid, liquid and gaseous state behave differently. On the basis of the arrangement of molecules, solids, liquids and gases show different properties. Now we are going to discuss about the first property is solid. This is an ice cube. It is an example of solid. In next picture, we can see the arrangement of molecules in solids. In this picture, no space in between the molecules. Properties of solids. Solids have a definite shape and volume. Molecules in a solid are very tightly packed. Intermolecular force of attraction is very strong. It means in solid there is strong bonds. Intermolecular spaces are almost negligible. Solids cannot flow. Next, liquids. Water is an example of liquids. In this picture, we can see the arrangement of molecules in liquids. There is space in between the molecules. Properties of liquids. Liquids have no definite shape but have a definite volume. Molecules in a liquid are loosely packed. Intermolecular force of attraction is weak as compared to solids. Intermolecular spaces are more as compared to solids. Liquids can flow. Next is gases. Steam is an example of gases. In this picture, we can see the arrangement of molecules in gases. In this, more spaces in between the molecules. Properties of gases. Gases neither have a definite shape nor a definite volume. Molecules in a gas are very loosely packed. Intermolecular force of attraction is the weakest. Intermolecular spaces are very large. Gases flow in all directions. So my dear children, I hope you understood today's all points and clear to you. Read the chapter at home and try to understand. With the second part of the same chapter, we will meet in our next video. Till then, bye.